What's up, everyone? Welcome to your workout. For this one, we're going to be doing a double Tabata interval. So what that means is we're going to be doing the classic Tabata interval, 20 seconds of high intensity work with 10 seconds of recovery. We're going to be doing that 8 times for 4 minutes for the first Tabata interval, and we're going to be doing kettlebell swings for that round. For the second round, the second Tabata interval, we're going to be doing hill climbs on our cycle bikes, where we're going to be up off the saddle in a heavy hill climb position for 20 seconds, followed by a quick seated recovery for 10 seconds. So we'll have a little bit of break time in between those two Tabata intervals, and then we'll have also a nice little warm up and cool down to make this complete workout feel good. So let's go ahead and get our legs moving. We're gonna be doing this nice little warm up, basic moderate pace on your bike, whatever's comfortable for you. We're just gonna do 2 minutes. So let's get going. 2 minutes. Trying to get our heart rate up. Nice moderate resistance. Feel free to choose whatever riding position you're comfortable with. For the second minute of these 2 minutes, we're going to be doing an off the saddle climb. Again, not too heavy in the resistance, but want our body to get ready for that climb that's coming. All right, another 20 seconds, and we'll switch to 1 minute in the climbing position, off the saddle. All right, let's go ahead and add some tension, put some gear on there, and let's come on up. So 1 more minute, and then we'll go into our kettlebell swing warm-up prep. All right, nice and smooth. So again, you're gonna be at a slow tempo for those hill climbs when we do the intervals, but we're gonna really be trying to push the resistance to a really high level. So I want to really feel it. So when we get there, keep a track of your cadence. Be around 60 RPMs. All right, about 10 more seconds. And we're gonna hop off and go into our kettlebell swing prep. So just another extended part of our warm-up. And then we'll get into the intervals. All right, come off nice and easy. All right, so we're gonna get our glutes going a little bit. We're just gonna do a nice glute stretch, active glute stretch. You grab your knee and your ankle with both hands, pull up, drop down, and repeat on the other side. So alternating nice and smooth. Getting those glutes loose. Open up those hips a little bit. We're gonna use 10 on each side. All right, it's 10, halfway there. Five more. And 1 more. All right. Okay, a couple touchdown squats with reaching overhead. 1, 2, getting our shoulders loose. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. And last one. All right. Kettlebell swing time. Remember, this should be moderate to heavy weight. I'm going to use a 50-pound kettlebell because it's the first time doing kettlebell swings with the Tabata interval. Start with something lighter so you get comfortable with the movement and also comfortable with the timing of the Tabata interval, and just to make sure that you can sustain maximal effort through the whole 4 minutes. It's going to move fast, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start the clock. Stay on me if you're not timing it yourself, but by all means, go ahead and keep the timer if you so choose. All right, so here we go, 10-second countdown. Let's get our timer going. We're going to start Tabata interval kettlebell swing. Here we go. All right, first one, 20 seconds. All right, short rest. Keep that kettlebell out in front of you. We're gonna go right back down to it. Here we go. All right, 2 down. 6 to go. Let's keep going. Firing those hips. All right. Whew. 3 down. All right, halfway there. Whew, keep it up. Should be on about 10 to 12 swing pace. All right, I'm still holding that 12. Stay with me, let's go. Strong hips. All right. You're in the end, come on, stay strong. You got this. All right, woo. You're in the end. Stay with me. Yeah. Whew. Finish strong, come on. You can make it. Finish. Great work. All right, we're gonna take a minute. You get back on your bike and reset that Tabata clock. Woo. Remember, comfortable riding position, off the saddle. All right, here we go. Starting round, Tabata round 2. Let's get that gear on there, increase that tension. All right, 10 seconds. Coming up off the saddle with that first 20-second climb. All right, here we go. Let's go. Come on. Chest up. That air in. All right, recover, seated. Slow the pace to keep those pedals moving. Let's add a little more tension. Here we go, up again. 60 RPMs, heavy on the legs, come on. Let's power through. All right, 2 down. Slow it down. There we go, interval 3. Come on. Heavy tension. Keep those hips back over the seat. Deep breathe in. Woo-wee. All right. You guys doing great. Hang in there. Let's keep up that intensity. Add a little bit more gear. Let's go. Add a little bit. Guys are doing great. Let's go. Keep that pace up. All right. Woo. Guys are almost there. Let's go. Round 5. 3 more after this. Whew, almost there. Let's go. Add a little more gear for these last couple. Heavy climb, let's go. Whew, almost there. 1 more minute of work. Let's go. Finish strong to the end. Climbing that mountain. Let's reach to the top, come on. Last one. Woo. Don't stop moving those legs. Come on. Cool down's coming up. Woo. Let's go. Finish strong. Oh, burning. Let's go. Come on. All right. Whew. Clear that tension. All right. Cool down time. 2 minutes. Let those legs recover. Good breathing. Towel off. Grab some water. Woo! So that's the double Tabata combo kettlebell swing and hill climbs. This workout is perfect if you're short on time. So good micro HIIT Tabata intervals, doubling them up. Good high intensity workout, burning some calories, engaging a lot of different muscles, using the hips, core, back, and shoulders through that kettlebell swing, and then really working on our climbing strength and power with those high resistance intervals. Keep breathing. This is a great workout. It's pretty low stress in terms of, it's not gonna make you super sore. So this is definitely a workout you can do multiple times per week. I suggest at least twice per week, 3 times per week if you want it to be your standalone workout, or it's just a great workout to throw in to your regular exercise routine, no matter where you are in your health and fitness journey. Kettlebell swings are great, and I love a good hill climb, as long as it's not too long. Just personal preference. All right, you need a few more seconds or a couple more minutes to cool down. By all means, continue to ride arm. That's all I have for you today. Stay strong. We'll see you next time. Great work.